Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you're watching FMA makeup tutorials. I am here to do the power of makeup volume 2. First one I have already done. It was too early, way back when I was just making when I initially started making YouTube videos, and because of my practice and all that, I've learned a little more than what I used to be. So this is edition 2 of Power of Makeup. So guys, I've thought that I would be addressing my subscribers by a term called FMA squad. So you're my squad now, so we all together form FMA squad, and wherever you wish to just wish me or just to address me, use hashtag FMA squad and I would get any kind of update which you guys want to pass on to me. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video and let's get started. To begin, definitely priming our eyes makes sense, so Essence Concealer goes on my eyes. Now there's the damp beauty blender, and now I can proudly say damp beauty blender because I've made a video on this beauty blender versus foundation brush. So you know exactly how to use your beauty blender by seeing that video. If you don't know how to use your beauty blender right, you should definitely go and check that video. Girl, you get that. Starting off with this color right here. I forgot to zoom you in, guys. Let's pick up some other shade by Jacklyn Hill palette. Guys, have you guys heard about IGTV? That's Instagram TV. Do let me know what are your thoughts on IGTV. I am so surprised. I don't know how things are gonna work. I don't know, is the YouTube trend going to change and go to IGTV or what is it? Because I've just started my hands on YouTube and now IGTV, so I'm so confused that what's gonna happen and all that. But you know, I feel that I should take it in a positive manner because I probably think that it is going to help rather than just ruining everything. I don't know. Still, I'm so much confused about that. So I would say yes, definitely it's getting difficult for YouTubers like us to establish ourselves on YouTube, because the minimum requirement on YouTube right now for monetization, or even they scrutinizing your account for monetization, is minimum of 10,000 subscribers and 400 hours of watch time, you guys. So it's so confusing, but this is my passion, so I don't want to just give up so early. I want to try harder, and if I do, I am definitely going to share my happiness and giveaways and everything with all you guys. So now I'm just putting some eyelash glue on top of this, and now I'm going to put on some NYX glitter on this. That was the idea. Use glitter somewhere or the other. So now this golden liner goes on top of this right here. So meanwhile that is drying, I am going to put on some black liner. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows till the time my eyes are set and done. My god, eyebrows make such a big difference. Oh my god. Now goes on some foundation. For this, I think I should zoom you out. Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation. Oh my god.
I'm just sitting here.
And now it's time for some concealer, and for that I'm using the MAC SPF 35 MAC Studio Fix Finish Concealer. This is one of the heaviest consistency concealer. We are going to set this entire thing by the MAC Studio Fix. Now once this is all set and done, we are going to apply our lashes. This is looking a little weird, so we'll just finish our lower lash line as well ASAP. I'm going to enhance a little bit of my eye with this white liner which I have, and I am just going to accentuate my tear ducts. Going in with the black color of the Jacklyn Hill palette, I am going to line my lower lash line. And now by taking some lighter colors, I am going to smudge this line right here. So now by using the unicorn palette, I'm just going to pop on some glitters on the tear duct area and a little bit on the center of my lower lash line. And that's Corollista from Benefit Cosmetics. That's peachish blush, which I love. Now I am going to use the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and now go some dry highlight over this stick, and for that I'm lining it with some brown liner. And to this I am going to apply Famous by Huda Beauty. And here I present to you the power of makeup.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need